MLA ka Voice of the People Party na moring kening uba having stone karpran. Hagas ngi sajan ka arpunyo tarik naitung arjar pesau ula ai Burom kerpang yaki khat khandai ngut ki Pulit Pyllait na search and rescue team ka Meghalaya hagajinyalang ka blalong hadorbar hall lulong soren kam. Hagani gajinyalang sau ngut ki Pulit officer bat khatsan ngut ki dekhot ka fire and emergency service kila syapun ko Burom na kamta ka jing syakri jongki. Ladan lang Udarwin M Sangma SP Fire and Emergency Yaka Fire and Emergency Service Organization hagajala la pia haki arbenta kawai ke Eastern Range ka baganthop ya Hanyotali ke district hakasi Jaintia Hills but ka Western Range ka baganthop ya Santali ke district Hagaro Hills.
Feel you that you work hard and the same spirit of working very hard, dedication, and sacrifice should continue in the days to come also. I wish you all the very chance. You will never find reward impossible. So last time also in Urancha, when I went myself to that spot where one person from Makasian among Paransori got drowned in the river. The river water is very muddy. You couldn't see anything. So they used to tell me that night times I cannot do this thing. So they left late evening, then early in the morning they returned and they did the job. And lastly they got, after 3 days, they got the dead body. So that's why I cannot just simply remain as the news spectator. They want to recognize or acknowledge the stage you got.
Shop Hapa.